Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So yesterday was a gap up and then a slow grind up into our 607, 608 gamma area that we had talked about if we broke 605. So everything worked as intended there. We did finish with a nice green DEX, obviously, because we had a nice up day and we ended up with some time frame continuity. We were bullish on all time frames until very late day where we remained bullish, but we did lose convergence. Jumping in to our whale targets. Interesting here on our whale targets, nothing above 607 at the moment. Doesn't mean we can't get a little above. We are in the pre-market session a little above. We're pretty close to 608 to be honest, which is a positive gamma that we saw yesterday. So nothing above right now. Let's see if we can get some sort of a retrace. Customers slid just a little bit from short to pop from very much short to pop to just short to pop a little bit. They did not do well if they were short yesterday because we ripped up and finally got above that 605 with a little bit of force. So let's see if it holds. All right, jumping into our dark pools. 600.2, mark it on your charts. Quite a few prints there, 23. So mark it on your charts as an important point of price contention. And our dark pool levels are ag at 598.18, moved up just slightly from where we were. We're now quite a bit away from that at 607 and some change in the pre-market session. Oh, I was zoomed in there. Let's go ahead and back out for a second and check to see where we are on our gamma range. So right now we are right around this positive bar right here on the ag. We break up past that, we can get up to 620. If we cannot hold it, we have a small stop there at 604 and then one at 595. Biggest pulls are down and to the left at the moment, but we have seen a few occasions, not too many, but a few that we extended past those bigger pulls. Let's see what today looks like at 625 as we go as well. Now this is another interesting one. We're very thin up here, so really 600 all the way up to it's a very small 611, 612 would be a pretty easy range to trade in because of this huge positive gamma level here if we hold it. If we dip down to 600 and we bounce and stay above, we've got room to the upside. It's very thin. We can see volatile moves in there. If we start to slip, positive gamma cluster past 598 could be tough, but if we get below it, then we see 595. This 588 all the way down here is very far from price. We'll put an X on it for now. Could be some hedging. It'll take some sort of news event to drag us all the way down there for sure, but the data is there if it needs it. So pay attention to flow, of course. If it's very, very, very negative all day long, then we target our 600 and our 595, and if there's some extreme shit going on, then our 588. If it's positive all day, target 600 positive bounces to the back to the upside because it's thin and can move fast. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.